experiment to show convection. We have food coloring, a blue, I put here, and a red, I put here in also. And we have 3 styrofoam, 1, 2, and 3 for our hot water, and microwavable pan, it should be transparent, and a dropper. So we also have tap water. Tap water should be just 2/3. So let's demonstrate it now. We have container full with 2/3 of tap water. It might be better if you have ice cold, but I think this one works too. This represents part of the atmosphere or the air. And then we're gonna put the 3 drops of food coloring, one in the middle, which is the red, which gonna represent warm temperature. Let's put it.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Nah, I think it's okay now. So next is we're gonna put blue food coloring in both edge. It represents cold water, cool temperature right there. So now we will add hot water underneath. I think this is good. The red food coloring represents the uneven heating of the Earth's surface, which will create extra warmth for the atmosphere. If it goes well, it should be to rise at the bottom, which means our water is warm enough. Look, I think it's something happening here. So next is that's creating an arc of low pressure. It's creating low pressure at the bottom. As it rises, that the blue that represents cool air is moving into place the warm air that is rising, and that's good representation of convection, which creates air movement or wind. While I'm showing you the process of the expert or my experiment, I will answer the 2 processing questions. So let's start.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Process question number 1. What are the convection currents? How do they relate to the movement of plate tectonics? A convection current is a process that involves the movement of energy from one place to another. It is also called convection transfer. Convection currents drive the movement of Earth's rigid tectonic plates in the planet's fluid molten mantle. In places where convection currents rise up towards the crust surface, tectonic plates move away from each other in process known as seafloor spreading. Number 2 question. On your own point of view, it is acceptable that convection currents are driving force of plate movements. Why or why not? Convection currents drives plate movements of Earth's rigid tectonic plates in the planet's fluid molten mantle. In places where convection currents rise up towards the crust surface, tectonic plates move away from each other in a process called as seafloor spreading, like I said earlier. Hot magma rises to the crust surface, cracks develop in the ocean floor, and the magma push up and out to form mid-ocean ridges. Mid-ocean ridges or spreading centers are fault lines where 2 tectonic plates moving away from each other. Convection currents in the magma plate tectonics, heat generated from the radioactive decay of elements deep in the interior of the Earth, creates magma or molten rock in the asthenosphere. Bye! Thank you! Hope you learned something.
我真的睡着了。
Wow, that's great. Even me now know how convection works.